Hello friends, today we are discussing about the topic for government scheme in India. This topic is most important for all competitive exam, especially in RRB, NTPC, and SSC and UPSC exam. Let's watch it. Scheme, launch date, objective or purpose. First one, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. The scheme launched on 28th August 2014 to connect more people into banking sector. It aims to provide affordable financial service. Next one, Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Gramin Kausalya Yojana, launched on September 25th, 2014. It is a Government of India project to engage rural youth, especially BPL and SC/ST segments of the population, in gainful employment through skill training program. Next one, Pradhan Mantri Kausal Vikas Yojana, launched April 2015 to provide encouragement to youth for development of employable skill by providing monetary reward by recognition of prior learning or by undergoing training at affiliated center. Next one, Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, launched on May 9, 2015. This is accident insurance scheme. Next one, Suganya Samriddhi Yojana, Girl Child Prosperity Account. The scheme launched on 22 January 2015. The scheme primarily ensures equitable share to girl child in resource and saving of a family in which she is generally described as against a male child. Next one, Skill India Mission, launched on 28th August 2014. The scheme is launched to promote skill development amongst youth. Next one, Make in India. The scheme launched on 20th September 2014. It is launched to boost the manufacturing sector in the country so that the expenditure on import can be reduced. Next one, Swachh Bharat Mission. The scheme launched on 2nd October 2014. It was launched to eliminate open defecation in the rural section and promote cleanliness. Next one, Sunset Aadharsh Gram Yojana. The scheme launched on 11th October 2014. It aims to bring social and cultural development in the rural section. Next one, Shramu Jayanti Yojana. The scheme launched on 16th October 2014. The plan is dedicated to the upliftment of the labor class. Subscribe our YouTube channel. Time to save. Next one, Bhatti Bachao Bhatti Padhao. The scheme launched on 22nd January 2015. It aims to make girls social and financial independence through education. This question is also asked in RRB NTPC 2020. Next one, Care Day Plan. The scheme launched on 21 January 2015 to take good care of World Heritage and make these cities economically viable. Next one, Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. The scheme launched on 9th May 2015. It is government-backed life insurance scheme which was launched in the budget of 2015. Next one, Ujala Yojana. Gunat Jyoti by affordable LEDs for all. This question is also asked in RRB NTPC 2020. The scheme launched on 1st May 2015. It aims to distribute LED bulbs at affordable prices to reduce the electrification consumption. Next one, Atal Pension Yojana, launched on 9th May 2015. It aims to provide monthly pension to people from unorganized sector. Next one, Prime Minister Jyoti Bima Yojana. The scheme launched on 9th May 2015. Life insurance of rupees 2 lakh for people between 18 to 15 years. Annual premium of rupees 330 per annum. Next one, Smart City Mission. The scheme launched on 25th June 2015, developing 100 selected cities of the country from 2015 to 2020. Next one, Digital India Mission. The scheme launched on 2nd July 2015, making all the government service available online to the public. Next one, Gold Monetization Scheme. The scheme launched on 5th November 2015. It aims to utilize inoperative gold in productive work. Next one, Startup India. The scheme launched on 16th January 2016. It aims to promote new enterprises. Next one, Setu Bharadam Yojana. The scheme launched on 4th March 2016. It aims to construct the over and under bridge to make national highway railway crossing free. Next one, Stand Up India. The scheme launched on 5th April 2016. It provides loans up to 10 lakh to 1 crore for establishment of new companies for scheduled caste and trib and women enterprises. This question is also asked in RRB NTPC 2020. Next one, Gramodaya See Bharat Uday. The scheme launched on April 2016, embracing the development of village for the proper development of the country. Next one, Namani Ganga Yojana. The scheme launched on 7th July 2016. It was taken up to bring the cleanliness of river Ganga. Next one, Ujjwal Discom Assurance Yojana. The scheme launched on 5th November 2015. It was launched to yield the development of renewable energy and reduction in the cost of power generation. This is most important. Next one, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. The scheme launched on June 25th, 2015 to enable better living and drive economic growth, stressing on the need for people-centric urban planning and development. Next one, Ayushman Bharat Yojana. The scheme launched on 23 September 2018. The national scheme that aims at making necessary intervention in primary, secondary, and tertiary healthcare system. Subscribe our YouTube channel. Time to save. Next one, National Carrier Service. The scheme launched on 20 July 2015. The objective of this project is to help job seeker land up at the job they deserve. Next one, Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Yojana. Launched on January 22, 2015. Health and Family Welfare. Next one, Pradhan Mantri Faisal Bima Yojana. The scheme launched on 13th January 2016 to provide insurance coverage and financial support to the farmer in the event of failure of any of the notified crop as a result of natural calamities, pests and diseases. Next one, Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana. The scheme launched on July 1st, 2015 to extend the coverage of irrigation and improving water use efficiency in the focused manner to improve farm productivity and ensure better utilization of the resource in the country. Next one, PMKMY, Pradhan Mantri Kishan Mandhan Yojana. The scheme launched on 12th September 2019. LIC is the pension fund manager for PM Kishan Mandhan Yojana that provides an assured monthly pension of Rs 3,000 to all the farmers after the age of 60 years. Next one, Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana. The scheme launched on December 16, 2016. It allows individual to deposit money that has not been taxed. Next one, PM Kishan. This question is very important. Pradhan Mantri Kishan Samman Nidhi Yojana. This scheme launched on 24th February 2019. Under this scheme, all small and marginal farmers will be provided with income support of rupees 6,000 per year in three installments, which will be deposited directly to their bank account. Next one, Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana. The scheme launched on April 8, 2015. A loan of up to rupees 50,000 is given under subscheme Sisu. A loan of between rupees 50,000 to 5 lakh under subscheme Kishore. A loan of between 5 lakh to 10 lakh under subscheme Tarun. Next one, Samito Yojana. The scheme launched on April 24, 2020. Samito Yojana will help in mapping of properties in village with the help of drones. The portable will help in making it easier for villagers to avail bank loans. Next one, Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Janshati Priyojana. This scheme launched on 1st July 2015. It is a campaign launched by the Department of Paramedical Government of India to provide quality medicine of affordable prices to the masses through special cadres known as PMJP. Pradhan Mantri Ujjwal Yojana. The scheme launched on 1st May 2016, launched to provide free LPG connection to women from below poverty line families. This question is very important, and also this question also asked in RRB NTPC 2020. Next one, Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation, Amrut Plan. This scheme launched on June 25th, 2015. It was launched to have adequate swag network and water supply for urban transformation by implementing urban renewable project. Additional of Women and Child Development. Minister of Women and Child Development. Scheme launched at highlight. Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana. The scheme launched on 20th October 2017. It aims to provide appropriate care and institutional service utilized during pregnancy, delivery, and lactation. Next one, Poshan Ma, National Nutrition Month, March 2018. It aims in achieving the nutritional status of children up to 6 years. Addition of Rural Development, Minister of Rural Development. Scheme launched at highlight. Shama Prasad Mukherjee Urban Mission 2016. It aims to provide urban amenities in rural section. It aims to provide livelihood to rural people so that it will prevent rural migration to urban areas. Next one, Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. The scheme launched on 25th December 2000. It aims to build roads throughout the villages. Next one, additional of Human Resource Development. Minister of Human Resource Development. Scheme launched at highlight. Adult ranking on institution on innovative achievement. 2019. It promotes the ideas of entrepreneurship, facilitating access to advancement. Next one, Pradhan Mantri Innovative Learning Program, Dhruv, launch date October 2019. The program is launched by Indian Space Research Organization. It covers two sections, namely Science and Arts. NISHTA, National Initiative for School Heads and Teacher Holistic Advancement, 2019-20. It aims to improve the quality of school education through integrated technologies. Additional of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. Scheme launch date highlight. Skill Building Platform, launch date 4th November 2019. It aims to build the skills by providing personalized learning in order to make an individual capable of joining the workforce. Next one, Sankalp SANKALP, launched on 19th January 2018. It aims to set up the institution at the state and national level, expanding the reach of schemes through private and public partnership. Next one, additional health and family welfare scheme. Surakshit Matritva Ashwansan. The scheme launched on 10th October 2019. The scheme was launched to provide quality health care to pregnant women, new mothers, and newborn at zero cost. Next one, social awareness and action to neutralize pneumonia successfully. 2019. Under this scheme, the government is targeting a protection in pneumonia caused death by 2025 to less than 3 deaths out of 1000 live birth. Pre-refilled deaths mass awareness campaign. Next one, intensified mission Indradhanush 2.0. This scheme launched on January 2020. It was launched in 35 districts of Uttar Pradesh. It aimed to achieve 90% of vaccination coverage amongst children below age of 2 years. Next one, Food Safety Mitra. This scheme launched on 16th October 2018. It aims to support small and medium scale houses to follow the law on food safety and facilitate hygienic rating, license and registration. Next one, LAQ SHYA. This scheme launched on 11th December 2017. It aims to improve the quality of care during delivery and immediate postpartum period, reduce maternal and newborn mortality and morbidity. Next one, recent scheme launched Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana. This scheme has announced its plan to enhance fish production to 220 lakh metric ton by 2024 to 2025 from 137.58 lakhs MT in 2018 to 2019 at an average annual growth rate of about 9%. The announcement was made by the Union Minister for Fisheries and Animal Husbandry and Dairy, Giriraj Singh. The scheme will bring about blue revolution through the sustainable and responsible development of fisheries sector in India. Next one, Arogya Setu. It is an Indian open source cross-platform COVID-19 contact tracing syndromic mapping and self-assessment digital service, primarily a mobile app developed by the National Informatics Center under the Ministry of Electronic and Information Technology. Next one, Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. Recently, the government announced an economically stimulus package of rupees 20 lakh crores and big bang symmetric reforms under this scheme. The intended objectives of this plan is twofold. First, interim measures such as liquidity infusion and direct cash transfer for the poor will work as shown observed for those in acute stress. The second, long-term reforms in growth critical sector to make them globally competitive and attractive. Subscribe our YouTube channel Time to Save. Then only you can update more videos. Thank you.